Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we are solving a series of SQL 50-day challenge for the interview preparation. Today we are going to solve a really interesting SQL problem from LeetCode that is based on triangle. We are given a table called triangle and it contains three columns X, Y and Z. These three columns represent the length of three line segments. And our task here is to find out for each row whether these three sides can actually form a valid triangle or not. So, do you remember the basic rule from geometry? For these three sides to form a triangle, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. So, in terms of SQL, we need to check x plus y greater than z and x plus z greater than y and y plus z should be greater than x, and if all three conditions are true then it's a triangle, otherwise it's not. So we will use a simple case when statement to apply this logic to each row. Let's write the query. We will select x comma y comma z and we will select case when x plus y greater than z and x plus z greater than y and y plus z greater than x, then yes, else it should be no. And we will name this column as index triangle, and we will select all these details from triangle table. So that's it for the query. So let's explain this query. We select all three sides x comma y and z, and using the case statement we are checking for our triangle condition, and if they are satisfied we output yes, otherwise we output no. So that is the simple and super efficient technique to find out. So let's quickly run this code and check if it works or not. Okay, I guess okay, these are supposed to be in lowercase. So that's it, and now let's run it quickly again. As we can see here that our code has been accepted and it returns the exact output. And let's submit and see for all the test cases that are in this problem. As we can see here that our code performs well on this problem, and it has been accepted by LeetCode. So that's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more SQL and data science contents. Also comment below what other topics you want us to cover next.